Churchill brother, what one Konkani, Churchill brother, amche Konkani.
Hello and welcome to the pre-match show as we look at the Churchill Brothers I-League campaign of season 2018-19. Churchill Brothers are facing Indian Arrows on Saturday in the I-League, and it assumes a lot of importance as a full points here for Churchill Brothers will enable them to cut the gap on the leaders Chennai City FC to just 2 points at the top of the table. And since crucial games in the I-League are coming up at the weekend and early next week, as Kolkata derby between East Bengal and Mohun Bagan will follow, and that will be succeeded by the game against Chennai City FC, who are the leaders at this moment in the I-League, and they are going to play at Real Kashmir, another surprise package of the season and a dark horse as this I-League seems set to go right down to the wire. We are at the Dawda ground here in South Goa, where Churchill Brothers are training, and you can see in the background here as the boys are being put through their paces under the guidance of head coach Coach Gigiu, and ably supported by former India international and son of the soil Mario Suarez. So we are going to chat with the coaches and the support staff and some key players in this program. We have with us head coach of Churchill Brothers, Coach Gigiu. Light-hearted atmosphere at your training, very nice, all players having a nice banter. So is this a training session that you like, keeping all the players very light-hearted mood, and then you went and had your tactical session with them? How do you feel?
Oh, I told you last interview, it's difficult to work with players from different country, but we must do all is possible, all is necessary for put the players in the same line, yeah, and to respect the rules in the game. Sometimes we can do that. Sometimes it's very difficult.
Like the way you dealt with them, like a father figure, and kind of family atmosphere here is also nice to see.
I spoke all time with the players. It's if we are one family, this is very good. No difference between players, no difference in the game, no difference. This is very good. This is the power of our team, I think.
Now, as we head into this weekend, very crucial weekend, if you win the match against Indian Arrows, the gap with the leaders will be 2 points. Then at the weekend, East Bengal are playing Mohun Bagan. Then Real Kashmir, another contender, are playing with the leaders Chennai City. So very important for your team to win tomorrow.
It's very important every game. For me, every game is important, and for me it's a crucial game, every game. I don't know if my players understand that. I am afraid a bit for the game for tomorrow, because maybe they don't come very concentrated in the game. But I hope to win, and now every game for us is same one final of Asian Cup.
Right.
This is, we play every game for win, because it's our chance. If we don't win one game, the hopes for us come in the zero.
Right. A very important addition to the team with Goan attacking midfielder Kevin Lobo, a very experienced player joining the team on loan from ATK. A very good addition to the team.
You speak about the
Kevin Lobo.
Is come to us.
Yes.
Yes, it's very important. In this moment, it's not fit with the preparation, but it's a real good player.
And
I hope to help us.
Definitely, he has a lot of experience with him, and experience in football is very important, isn't it?
Yes, it's true. It's true. But the first in football, same in all the sport, in the game sport, it's to have power. If you have not power, after 20 minutes, 30 minutes, you can drop and finish.
So overall, as you go into this game against Indian Arrows, last year Indian Arrows had shocked Churchill brothers. They had come from behind to win, but it's a different ball game because you were not here last year. This year you went and beat Indian Arrows away, so that gives you confidence.
I play about 1 month, I think it is. We play in Indian Arrows. We won 1-0, and the team is strong. It's not a bad team. It's young, the players young, they want to show all the people they have good value. But we try to win, sure, because we play, I told you, every game with great concentration. For that maybe, because every game is very important, sometimes we do the mistake, see the game with Neroka.
Yes.
But normal, we cannot compare this situation with situation from last season, and now Churchill's brother is a good team, is a strong team, and I think tomorrow we win.
Wonderful, coach. Good luck going forward. We wish you that you win. And that's coach, head coach Coach Gigiu. For you Romanian coaches, very experienced. He gets the boys together, keeps a light-hearted mood, and gets all these drills going at this Dawda ground, as you have seen in the highlights. And the way he masterminds the campaign is really a very enjoyable experience to see him work with these boys and keeping these players together from different nationalities and gel them with the Indian players, and together they look like a very good unit when they play in the I-League matches, and we hope they win the game against Indian Arrows. So now we are going to chat to former India international Mario Suarez, who's assisting Coach Gigiu and Churchill brothers in this special season that we all see they can achieve, and Mario is here with us. Mario, how's life at Churchill brothers? I know you joined them in the close season from Sargankars. You were with Sargankars for a very long time.
Yeah.
So how has it been with Churchill, and how special this season seems like?
It looks great. When I joined for Churchill brothers, it looks like everything is changed. For I-League, it's another level.
Right.
For ISL, it's another level. Yeah? This is good. We are looking for the champions this time. Yes, definitely.
Mario, we all know that you were a very thinking footballer, a very classy midfielder during your times. I have seen you on TV as I grew up. So how are you exerting your influence on this team?
Oh my God. I always used to tell my midfielders, give penetration passes, give forward passes. This is match-winning passes. If you play square passes, sideways passes, diagonal passes, it's not used.
Right.
If you play penetration passes, beat a defender and give a good pass. It's 100% match winners.
Right. So that philosophy, how is it gelling with head coach Coach Gigiu's philosophy? Are you on the same frequency?
Same.
Wonderful.
See, regarding last match, when Ceesay come inside and give a true pass to Plaza, it's 100% good.
Right.
It's you see these penetration passes. These are called penetration passes. These are called true passes.
How has it been overall working in this setup with Coach Gigiu in there?
No, it's good. It's good,
Your
really good.
experience.
Yeah. 60 years, he is 65,
Yeah.
and his experience counts. It's good, really good. See, the team is gelling well. Everybody is together. Now we are aiming for that I-League champion.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Even as your foreign players, the attacking players play, they give a very good feel about their understanding, and they have a flair. So watching them from the sidelines is also a very beautiful experience. How has it been to manage these people to play that brand of football that you all want?
You know, foreigners are professional players.
Absolutely.
When they come on the field, they give the 100%. And if we motivate them, we encourage them, they will definitely give the 100%. It's if you go negative with them, they are always negative. If you go to positive, they are positive.
And there we see Plaza in the background. Willis Plaza is driving the campaign as well with his wonderful 13 goals so far, and we wish many more from him and any other player for that matter. Goals are important.
I think Plaza, maybe he won't play well, but scoring. If he score, the team wins. Otherwise, the problem. See, last time, I think he give his 100% in that 10 or 5 minutes.
Last 6 minutes, 2 goals.
Yes, two goals. It's positive.
The heart would have been in your mouth for some time, like as you were trailing, and despite creating some great moves.
We are thinking what we'll do. When Gigiu said, okay, we brought Ceesay inside. We just give it striking force 2 foreigners, and we remove Wolf out, and the attack performed.
Wonderful.
Yeah, wonderful.
Tell us something about the young Indian players in the ranks, like Chester Paul Lingro. He has a lot of skills. No, we saw that day some amazing skills.
Definitely, his performing is very well. When last time we played against Neruka, his performance was wonderful. I think he was the man of the match.
He played really on the right wing.
Really good. Everything is going well, but with putting the cross fingers, if we win these 2 matches, we are putting pressure on other teams.
Absolutely. So you're keeping the pressure on the leaders and hanging in there.
Yeah, definitely. We have to put. If we win tomorrow's match, we are going for looking for the
And then the Mohan Bagan East Bengal match in Real Kashmir Chennai City. So it won't be easy for any of the other.
No easy matches. We take match at a time. Tomorrow's match, then day after tomorrow's match, we'll see, and we'll put our fingers crossed and we'll do our best.
Right. Ultimately, all this football, all club football, it has to help the Indian team as well. And what do you make of the Indian team at the Asian Cup? It's a heartbreak for everybody as they lost in the final.
Everybody.
So overall, you think they have made progress?
But I'm telling you, if India go for attack that day, we have won the match, definitely.
Right. So do you also think that they settled for that draw got into a negative mentality?
Yeah, that's what they have done. They have defended, and they have not gone there. When they play against UAE,
absolutely,
you see the match. Moves. Winning and losing doesn't matter. But the positives is there. How the positive was there. We were going for attack. It was our bad luck.
Absolutely.
For
2 times on the frame of
yeah.
2 good saves. Yeah. So overall, now Indian team also has to appoint a coach. Do you think they should go in for an attack-minded coach?
Yeah, definitely. We need an attack-minded coach.
Right.
Why? We are defending, no use.
Absolutely. That doesn't bring people to the stadium.
Yeah, definitely. If we win, everybody will come close to us and they'll say, okay, India team is winning. Definitely, there will be a positive way. They will think, oh my goodness, India is winning now. Now India is progressing well. That's all.
So overall, you think in the last 2-3 years, Indian football has made progress?
Definitely. Yes, we have now qualified for Asia Cup. We have performed well.
Right.
We didn't perform badly, but we performed well. We are aiming for that. We are doing well.
Yes.
We will do well.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So now it's the time to just kick in, push for attacking.
Youngsters and attacking. And no defensive, no dilly-dallying. We have to penetrate and passes. We have forward passes. How Chatri will score goals if he is not getting his open space?
Right. So play decisive football.
Yeah, attacking positive football, no negative football. Yeah.
Just like how Churchill brothers are also displaying.
Yeah, we want to attack the. Even any teams, if we attack, they will defend.
Absolutely.
We have to attack.
Mario, all the best.
Yeah,
it has been a pleasure chatting to you. So there you go, Mario Suarez, a wonderful footballer during his times, now ably assisting head coach Coach Gigiu at Churchill Brothers as they mastermind a very special campaign as Churchill Brothers have just entered their 31st year of existence. We hope this Red Machines, the club from Varka, can excel and become the kings of Indian football all over again.
Churchill brother, what one going Churchill brother, what one going Churchill brother. Let's clap your hands and get together. Whoa. Let's sing along and shout out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4. Churchill brother, what one going Churchill brother, I'm going
We have with us the captain of Red Machines, Dawda Ceesay. He's from Gambia, and what an elegant midfielder he has been. We have all seen that. Makes those crucial passes, and one of those got Churchill brothers equalizer in their last game against Neroka, and what a cliffhanger that was. Although Churchill brothers made a lot of good moves right from the first half, but couldn't score, otherwise they could have won at a canter. Many thanks for joining us here, Ceesay. How has the overall experience been this season at Churchill brothers?
Well, thank you very much. And this season we have been trying abundantly in practice, and we try to achieve this season competing for the league this year, because having a bad past, we want to forget everything and then start fighting for each other and play as a team and then win as much games as we can. Thank you.
Churchill brothers, overall, the way you all play, it gives a really good feeling about the attack in particular, a lot of flair. How are you going about guiding the team as a captain?
Yeah, because we have a good coach and he's trying every day like to play home and win all the home games. And playing home, we have to attack and score as much goals as we can, because we have nothing to lose here in Goa, because everybody depends on us, and it's a big responsibility for us, like start win all the games to be part of the top teams in the league. So
absolutely, the home games have been fantastic. If the start of the season was at such a level, you would have definitely been higher up the table in the top position, with a lot of gap between the other teams. So overall, to start with a bit of a lot of draws to start with, a little upsetting about that.
You know, like sometimes when you start the league, you know, it starts slow. Sometimes it starts rapid. You know, it depends on how we start the league. We started very slow and then drawing against Minerva, and then having draw against Chennai. Luckily, they got draw against us, because we were leading the game, and then last minute they scored again. But we have a home game against them, and still we have the chance to be at the top, and we just focus and then try to win as much games as we can. You know, like, thank you.
Right. How has it been traveling India up and down? How do you find this country?
Well, it's a bigger experience for me. I've been in Africa, traveled a lot of countries. I've been to Europe and stuff, but India is bigger than what I always think of. You know, is a big adventure, and I see so many beautiful places, and I've been to bigger cities, and then living in Goa too. So I'm comfortable and I'm very happy.
For you, growing up in Gambia in Africa, was football a dream to pursue something great and change your life?
Yeah, you know, Africa football is something like a culture. Like, we don't play for even money or whatsoever. It's a passion that you love doing, and it's part of us. It's part of our culture, and we love doing it. So that's it.
Was India a target, or would you have enjoyed playing elsewhere? I mean, of course, Europe would be definitely more lucrative, but how is India on your map with respect to your career?
Well, I'm a professional, so as a professional player, you don't choose the destination you have to be, and football is something that you live with. And then if you have a better contract in any country, you have to take the chance and then do your best and then make a name for yourself, and then try to do as much as help your team as much as you can. So I'm very happy. I'm comfortable in FC Goa Churchill Brothers, and I'm trying to give my best every game. And as a professional player, like I said earlier, you know, I have to try my best and then give everything that I can. Yeah, thank you.
Which has been your favorite club as a boy growing up, and who have been your favorite players, the icons that you have grown watching?
Well, I've watched the types of Ronaldinho, the types of Zinedine Zidane, big names I've seen, and I've watched England play, the likes of David Beckham in 2010. You know, I saw big players watch a game in Wembley. I had the opportunity playing for the national under 17 team and stuff, and it's a great feeling. You know, it's a motivation for me, like to be one of them, or to be like similar to them, to try harder, to be one of the players who will make his name one day. So that was a good feeling.
Who is your greatest African footballer of all time?
Well, I have pretty few, but if I'm gonna choose, I'm gonna choose the likes of Didier Drogba, the big players who went out and then make Africa proud and show the flag of Africa, raise the flag of Africa high in the European level, top teams and stuff.
Now Mo Salah also doing very wonderfully at Liverpool.
Yeah, he's a great player. Mo Salah is a great player. He's good, fast and technical, scoring goals. He's a very good player, yeah.
And Ceesay, you are a good, amazing player as well. We see you move fast and score those goals as well. May you go and become a bigger player in your future.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you very much for talking to us.
Thank you.
आता आमच्या बरोबर आसा निकलस फर्नांडीस, विंगर चर्चिल ब्रदर्साचो वेर्णेचो भुरगो, आनी तो चर्चिल ब्रदर्स क्लबान खूब वर्सां सावन आसा. निकलस, ह्या वर्सा चर्चिल ब्रदर्साचो कॅम्पेन खूब स्पेशल दिसता. तूं खूब वर्सां जालें चर्चिल ब्रदर्स क्लबान आसा. कितें चेंजीस क्लबान हाडले आनी कशा तरेन डिफरंट दिसता ह्या वर्सा?
लायक एज कम्पेर्ड टू लास्ट इयराकय लायक चड बरे प्लेयर हाडल्या. लायक दुसऱ्या क्लबांचे प्लेयर घेतल्या, फॉरेनर बरे हाडल्या. आनी द मॅनेजमेंट लायक ए फावट लायक चर्चिलान बरी लायक चिंतला की लायक सपोर्ट
Mario Suarez आयला.
न्यू कोचीस चड कोचीस येयल्या. इवन फॉर गोवा लीग दुसरे कोचीस येयल्या. सो लायक the aim आहा लायक गो फॉर अ विन, लायक गो फॉर लायक विन दिस year. That's it.
So what's the type of advice coming in from the coach, and how motivated are the players feeling?
Like see we were unbeaten, like अजूनपासून लास्ट 2 मॅची पिरियड जावपासून आमी अनबिटन आसले. लायक गोवा लिगाकूय आमी अजून अनबिटन आहा. दॅट्स द मोटिवेशन, लायक दॅट वी आर स्टील अनबिटन, सो दॅट कीप्स अस लायक कीप गोईंग. लायक सो अजून अनबिटन आहा न्हू, सो दॅट.
How is the competition for places? I know you also have just made 2 starts and fighting hard to get a start again. So very healthy competition in the ranks.
See, as per now, like see, we have good foreigners here. You know, the thing is that for me, it's a bit difficult. So that because my foreigner playing in my position,
Left wing.
left wing. So, but then he's a captain as well. So he just can't change a captain. So I come as a substitute, like on and off.
So you're trying to improve yourself.
I'm trying to, and waiting for my opportunity. When it comes, I'll just grab it.
Right. And how is the overall club, patron, Churchill Bob and Valanka? How are they trying to motivate you? Kide message are
Think they are like no pressure from them as such. Like third pressure na. They are like just be yourself, be normal, just play your game because you all are born to do this. Like this is your favorite thing to do. We all love
the game that you all love.
Yeah, we love this. Like this is not a job as such. Like just do what you love. That's it.
Absolutely.
These are these words. Like you all don't have to fear, worry anything. This is your game. Tumka कितें like asa, तुम्ही त्यात करता. So there's
no pressure.
Yeah, no pressure. Like it comes automatically. Like just playing, winning, and all. Like there are some ups and downs. Like it's not easy to go up. Like and going up and staying there, it's not that easy. Like staying there. Yeah. So because everybody's eyes on us. Like so now they want us to like if anyone sees like they want us to be down. Like
Correct.
आमका पडोंक जाय पण like.
But you
it's
are
on us,
taking the day as it comes and trying to keep
just
yourself.
we take one match at a
Match
time.
by
We are not
match.
thinking like as of for a title as of now, because like just
remaining 8 games, 7
hurdle
games.
after a hurdle, like एक complete करपाचे, and that's it.
So Indian Arrows is next hurdle,
Next hurdle,
you've beaten them at their home, so it must be from within that you
but
can
then,
do it.
Yeah,
But not underestimate.
No. Because they are young
Absolutely.
players, like
Young Indian players.
young guys. They run a lot, but then we at the same time we have experienced good players.
Yes.
Just need to keep our calm and hope for the best.
Good luck, Nicholas.
Thank you very much.
So there you go. We've spoken to the coaches, the players, and we get a really good feel from Churchill brothers having come to their training ground at Dawda. Hope you have enjoyed watching the program as much as we have loved it making for you. Keep watching Prudent for all the latest from Churchill brothers. Camp at as the I-League 2018-19 heads towards the business end, and it seems like the title challenge can go right down to the wire. Thank you again for watching, and keep watching Prudent. Goodbye for now.
Let's clap your hands and get together. Whoa. Let's sing along and shout out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4. Churchill brothers, Konkani, Churchill brothers, I'm